Hello friends, so today we're going to do a house bid. I have a detail to do. We're going to do a house bid, as you can see with my little candy cane pointer here. That is an indicator of what we're dealing with. So let's get in this house. So let me give you a heads up. This is an eviction. Smells like shh in here. Somebody let their animals go crazy. So they want to know how much I will charge them for detrashing. However, I must know that this house has bed bugs and this house also has roaches. Is there a hallway light or something? Here we go. Let there be light. Well, those didn't come in handy, did they, girl? They literally just left and left all this stuff. Holy Toledo. Somebody was a Leo fan. I have no telling what's in that closet. That's just gross. Why is it these filthy ass houses you stick to the floor? That's not good. This was just vacated a few days ago. Alrighty, so you saw the property. Now it is your turn to submit the bid. Before you submit the bid, the first thing you need is all of the information. So the kind of information you're going to want is, because this is a home property, you obviously need to know it's an eviction. Second, you obviously need to know the condition of the home, how much is in it, and what it is you're expected to do. You're also going to have to understand what the property owner may want. For this particular case, we are going to de-trash the house. That means everything is going to go. Nothing can be saved because of the bug infestation. And then when done, there needs to be a vacuum throughout the house. This will tell them if they obviously know that an exterminator is going to need to come in. However, this will also tell them if they need to tear up the carpet or if they need to have it shampooed and cleaned, okay, after the extermination. So the process for you is pretty clear. You're going to de-trash and you're going to vacuum. That's it. That's your job. That's where your job ends. There is a lot of belongings in there. So you need to assess the situation. You just saw the situation. So now what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to think about the supplies that you will need in order to make that job go as smooth as possible. And you're going to have to make sure you do it in a timely manner. Now, that brings me to the next thing that you will need to take into consideration, and that is the time involved to remove and de-trash this entire house. The last thing you need to take into consideration is, I'm going to have help, right? So you may have to factor in a second person. In some cases, some people would factor in a third person. So those are the things that you need to take into consideration. Then you want to sit down and figure up your costs. Now, let's go over that really quickly. The first cost would be your supplies. All right? Your second cost is going to be your time. And your third cost is going to be if there is an additional person. All right? So that's some information for you. Now it's your turn to figure out what you would bid this property cleanup based on all of the factors that I just gave you and all of the things that you would need. I thought we could do something fun with it. So, submit your bid. So what would you put your bid as? I can just hear it now. 4K, 5K, 15K, ain't enough money in the world. Shit. Well, at least we got a big dumpster for it.